Here's how to save the settings of effects in Premiere Pro. First, select the video clip that contains the effects that you would like to save. And you will then need to save the settings as a preset, so that later on you can load that preset which will contain all the settings and adjustments that you made earlier on. So here's how you do it. In your effect controls panel, right click on the effect that you would like to save as a preset. Here it's really important to understand that you have to click on the highest level of the effect. So that means, for example, if you make some adjustments to the position right here, let's say I change this to 430, then to save that as a preset you wouldn't right click here on position. Instead, what you have to do is to right click here on motion, because position, scale, rotation, anchor point and so on and so forth, they're all part of the effect called motion. So whatever changes you make to these right here, to save these exact settings, you would come up here to motion, right click and then go to save preset. Then give your preset the name and then click on OK. To load your preset then, click on the effects tab, then open up presets right here. And you will find your new preset right there. If you don't see it yet there, save your project and open up Premiere Pro again, and it should then be there. Now to apply this preset with all the settings, simply drag and drop it onto the clip that you would like to apply it to. Now last but not least, let me also show you how to save the settings from different effects all at once in one single preset. Because even if you have like 4 different effects, you don't need to do 4 presets for that. So once again, we come here to the effects controls panel. And let's imagine that you made some changes here to the motion effect, as well as to the opacity effect down here, and the time remapping effect. So how could you save all of these settings in one single preset? So the way you would do that now is you press and hold Command on a Mac or Control on a PC, then you click on the first effect, then while still holding Command or Control, click on the second effect, and then just go on like that as many times as you need. So now motion as well as opacity is included, but I also want to include time remapping. So while I still hold Command or Control on my keyboard, I also click here on time remapping to include this effect as well. Now let go of Command or Control on your keyboard and then right click and click on Save Preset. This new preset will now contain all the settings from all the effects that we just selected. So we can adjust the name right here if we want, and then we click on OK. And here as well now, to load your effect you would go to Effects here in the top left corner of the screen, and then when you open up the presets right here, you will find your new preset right there. To apply it, simply drag and drop it onto the clip that you would like to apply it to. And that's it guys, this is how you save the settings of effects in Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Premiere Pro tutorials.